Whew. What's going on, guys? Just picked up some kickstarts. About to head to the dump. I'm sure you can see the crap in the back, but it's like really hot today. There's no AC in this truck, so I'm gonna have to talk pretty quick. But if you're new, since this is gonna be the first Sunday showcase after the whole tractor tire stuff has been going on, if you are new, I do this every Sunday showcase, where I feature either someone's truck that I find on Instagram, or you can DM me and I'll check out your page. And if you have some good videos, preferably some high quality like roller videos or walk around stuff like that, I'd be happy to use your truck if you want. And then, like I said, if it's got some tasteful done mods to it and stuff like that, and then I'll post it on here. And it's kind of a little way of not really giving back, but just sharing exposure to people that have trucks that I enjoy. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out Huntertownsend's red GMC. And this round body is just a classic. It's just one of the best looking trucks there is. I'm really fond of them. The way the chrome on the bumper is, and I'm especially fond of red trucks. There's just not a lot of bright red trucks that roll around, and so when I do see them, I absolutely love them. There's another guy local to me, Jacob Howard. He's got a black one similar to this, and I really do like that truck a lot. And so pretty much if you just do basic things to them, some headlights, level them, wheels and tires, they look amazing. And I just really do love those trucks, and they're pretty iconic. All right, so if you want to get your truck on a Sunday showcase, just DM me, but do take into account that I get a lot of DMs. I have just a bazillion at this point, especially after the tractor tire stuff. There's just DMs at the wazoo. But definitely, you have a clean truck, you got some good videos of it, you want it on the channel, send me a DM. Make sure your profile is not on private so I can see your content. And then if it's, something I like, I'll get back with you. We'll make it happen. So with all that being said, let's check out Hunter's truck.